you're considering using a spiritual tool or adding a new practice to your existing one, congratulations. It doesn't matter if you are new or an adept. This message is just as important. I'm here to tell you that all of the tools have one thing in common, and if you don't get that right, not even the best spiritual tool in the world is going to be of assistance. If you're enjoying this channel, the Rebel Crone, then please support by subscribing, liking, and adding your comment. I am truly interested in connecting. Now is a perfect time to begin or to deepen your journey within. There are many choices out there to help you, including meditating, journaling, breathwork, astrology, and divination tools like the I Ching, tarot cards. There's plenty of sacred ceremonies and rituals to learn. Using one of the many tools available to either begin or to enhance your spiritual journey comes with one important challenge. If you don't get this right, nothing is going to work, meaning that your results are going to be incomplete or worse, distorted. Now, the issue is not that these tools don't work in and of themselves, or that some are better than others, or that you might be using them wrong. You see, spiritual tools are not meant to be something that you learn and then perform over and over again in some ritualistic pursuit of the meaning of life. First and foremost, they do not contain magic. They are just tools. They are here to assist you in unlocking the magic within you. So we could say that they are simply a temporary means to an end. The real goal is to help you remember that you don't need anything outside of yourself to connect to your personal power, to the higher version of you, to the cosmic forces, or to divine will. All of that is inherent in you. The key here is that spiritual connection does not come from doing a certain thing. We are not called human doings for a reason. We are human beings. Can you see where I'm going with this? If you're trying to meditate, journal, use tarot cards and such as a way to get somewhere, whether it is to enlightenment, to a better life, to a better understanding of who you are, the trap is, and it can be a seductive one, it's turning the tool into a performance, empty and hollow, or becoming reliant on it for your ability to connect. I'm here to remind you that nothing is going to work until you do one thing. Using spiritual tools isn't about getting it right or adding another one or using them more often. It's about connecting to yourself first. Now you may be thinking, but Elisa, this is why I'm doing these things. I'm trying to connect to myself, and I don't know how, and this is going to help me. My answer is to remind you of this truth. First, you are not disconnected from yourself. You did not lose yourself. In fact, good luck trying to do that. The truth of you is not something out there that you need to go and find. You are contained in your higher self, which is contained within Source or God, however you like to call the Creator. You are not separate, and you can never be separate. It is simply impossible. So here's the shift of awareness that will make all the difference. Instead of seeking out there, you simply need to allow the higher realms to come in. That is what tools are for, to be used as reminders, to help you to allow the truth to be remembered and allow it to have access into you. So try this next time you sit down to use a spiritual tool. Sit quietly for a moment and relax. Let go of all the tensions of what you want to happen. let go of trying to do it correctly, or concerned that it won't work. And here's what you need to remember. You are already connected. You are already whole and complete. You are not lost. You are contained in the bigger you. You are surrounded 24/7 by the higher realms. And most importantly, you are contained in unconditional love, the energy of our Creator. Then practice an inner smile as you let go into that big knowing. If you like, you can repeat, I am already me. I am perfect and whole. I am loved and cherished. All is well. Then when you feel a calm awareness coming over you, it's time to proceed with what you are about to do. And then notice if anything changes when using your spiritual tool, your spiritual reminder. So if you're just now opening up to an alternative path of spirituality, then congratulations. You know that the tool you're trying to use is just that. It's a tool, the place to begin to remember that you are already it. You are not lost. You just forgot that you're a human being. The journey is not out there. It starts in here. It doesn't matter what tool you're using, if any. You don't need to get it right. You just need to remember what is always there. It's important to align yourself to the bigger truth first and foremost, and then to know that the real goal is not to use a spiritual tool at all, because it's all within you, always has been, and always will be. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear from you. In love and truth always.